So welcome back to my channel, my amazing craft artist. Hope you're having a great day. I'm so excited. This is my very first studio vlog. So applause. I'll wait for it. It was so much fun doing this video. It's an unboxing of my very first cutting machine that I bought from HSN. It is a Cricut Joy. I'm so glad I bought it. I'm going to use it to make stickers, make all kinds of cool stuff for my small business. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's just get this channel past 200, 300 subscribers and more. I want this channel to grow, and I can't wait to show you what I got in this video. So let's start unhauling my very first studio vlog. This box, they did double boxed it, so yay for beautiful things to buy for your small business. So we got the box open. Did you guess what this was? It is a Cricut Joy that I bought from HSN a while back. As you can tell by the title at the beginning of the video, it is 5.7 pounds. I don't know what GW means, and I guess it's just pounds too. And then we have some stuff in here. Let's start right with the markers. Ooh, the Cricut Joy markers, gel pens, and that's what they look like. I know a lot of people already have the Cricut already and the Cricut Joy, but look at this. Black, gray, and blue. Wonderful. 1.0. And this is what looks on the back for the Cricut Joy Smart Cutting Machines. And it says it in that language as well. Always test pens before use to ensure ink is ready, permanent after dry. Well, okay. Put that down there. Let's see. We'll put it down there. And then what else is in here? Ooh, we get a mat, a card mat. I think I bought up one of these. I didn't know it came with one. I bought another one, so it's cool. It came with it. I bought another one from what's that store called? Hobby Lobby. So let's put it on this side where my scissors are. Okay. Ooh, what else is in there? I can get it out. I should take the box out first, shouldn't I have? But that's alright. What is it? What's down there? I can't tell. But we'll open it up and see. Found inside. This is what I found inside. Insert cards. There's 12. So pretty. I didn't know they had this in this kit. So it's just pre-scored cards. And then you have 12 black and 12 silver. And then it's envelopes and 12 white. And that's what it looks like, I guess, when you easy to custom for last minute occasions. Oh, great. I love Cricut Joy. I love this. I didn't realize you can buy it. I didn't buy any vinyl yet. I've been having this for a while. I didn't buy any vinyl. So, I mean, I bought vinyl at Dollar Tree, but I don't know if it's going to work on this particular cute little thing. I can't wait to. I wish they made this Cricut Joy in a different color, but I do like the color. I do love the color. Let's go out a little bit more. I love the color, guys. So, it's really pretty. So, let's put this on the side. I'm so excited for my very first studio vlog. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna open this up with one hand. We're gonna have to stop the camera right here real quick, but we'll be back, you guys. Can I wait? So guess what? I found this in the bottom. I guess it does come with vinyl. I guess it's a kit, so I should know better. Smart iron-on, and you have smart vinyl. Ooh, let's take it out of the box. Let's take this out. So let me show you this all close and personal. I already took the Cricut out, as you can tell. I already took it out. So I want to take all this stuff out first. So I'm so excited. I finally got a Cricut. Yes! I got two Cricuts, actually. I didn't unbox that one yet, but this is the very first time I unboxed these. So let's show you what else I got. That's just my little invoice. I don't want them seeing my address. So that's it, I guess. Yeah, that's it. That is all that's left. So the invoice is going to stay. So let's sit down and put this box back here. If I can. Look at it. That's what it looks like. Cricut Joy. Yes. Salt Lake City. Cool. Made in China. Okay. So we're back, you guys. So let me show you what I got so far. I know you probably already saw this before, but I have never seen it. I'm obviously mechanical. Metallic markers. And you get gold, silver, blue. That look pretty. Or what's that? I don't know that word. Is it the same blue? Yeah, I think it is. Just a different languages. That's cool. And so this is in the back, same thing you said earlier on the other pins. These look pretty. So that's what it looks like on the side. Wonderful. And then these are the other ones I just showed you. So those are cool. Because one is gel, right? Yeah, one's gel and one's metallic. Okay, the colors are pretty. I wish they had some red, but that's okay. And then I have some vinyl that I just want to show you. This is Smart Iron-On vinyl. This is what the sizes are, because I know people already saw this already, but this is me opening it. My first time opening up anything from Cricut in my first vlog. So it's got to be exciting for me. Ready to load material for quick, easy cuts without cutting mats. Oh, I didn't know that. It's matte. Matte. Ooh, I love it. 3 sheets. It's a sampler. That's cool. I need a sample. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they do got red for something. I see red. I see white. I see black. Ooh, I love this. Good job, Cricut. And then over here, what is this called? Ooh, vinyl. Like I said before, I didn't think we had vinyl, but Smart Vinyl Permanent. Ooh, Cricut Joy. I love this. So, silver, gold, and black. And then white. Oh, red. Tomato red. I didn't see the red, so. I've never used vinyl or anything. Everybody uses vinyl for stickers and all kinds of cool stuff. I've never used it. So, I can't wait to use this stuff. It's over here on this side so I can open the box, because that's what we're waiting for. It's my reaction when I open up. Okay, let's close this table a little bit closer. So, this is the box. And this is the top. So, let's cut this open a little bit. I got my scissors right here, you guys. Uh-oh. I got my scissors. So, let's cut this right here. I can. Yay. So comment down below if you already got a Cricut. I'll be right back. I'm going to cut this. So, open, you guys. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let's open up and see. Let's turn the box. I know a lot of people already bought a Cricut. Some people have never bought a Cricut before. That's why I'm doing this for my own personal use and for myself. Whoa, look at this. This is so cute, the box. I don't know how you open this part, but oh man, I can't wait to use this in my business. Thank you guys for a comment down below. Thank you for supporting my channel for all these years. I mean, I've been on YouTube for a long time. I want more subscribers. This is not the reason why I'm doing this video, but I figured I bought this a while ago. It is time to use this stuff. I bought a lot of stuff for my small business, a lot of stuff for myself for personal use. So I said, you know, just sitting there, just collecting dust. And I want to be an artist, a scrapbooker, animator, all that kind of cool stuff. So let's show why I bought this stuff for. I've been doing a lot of vlogs, and I can't do vlogs all the time. Ooh, this is really pretty, but I love this. I want to make cards. I want to make stuff, period. I want to just make my business to pop whatever I started. So I bought this a while ago, like I said at the beginning of the video. So let's get this out. It's another box. And I got everything set up right here. So this vlog is going to be so cool. I hope I'm not boring you guys too much. If you are, just comment down below if I'm boring you just a little bit. I'll try to get better. My original vlogs on my other vlog channel are terribly done. And I need to work on that too and get that channel up to my standards. So I'll be back. This took forever to get the scissors. I forgot if the sides had tape on it. Like, what the heck? That's why this is not opening. But there's the scissors right here. Oh, Lord, this took forever. I was like, why is this not opening? So let's open this bad boy up, you guys. I'm hoping you're excited to see it as much as I am. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I thought I had it. I thought I had it, you guys. I'm not going to stop the camera. So if y'all want to fast forward, go ahead. Not to be mean, but I just can't do it right now. Oh, come on. Why is this not cooperating? We're just doing it a second ago. I was trying to pull it up. There it goes. Oh my goodness, what it looks like. Oh, this is the top right here. I didn't know it did that. But, wow. Look at my Cricut. Look how pretty it looks inside. Ooh, I cannot wait to use this, you guys. Cricut, you rock. You rock so much. It says, open me. I will open you. But I'm probably not on camera. But we'll open you. This is so cool. Okay. I will open you later. Put it down there in that box. What else is down there to open? Okay. Cool. So in this video, I'm going to just do an unboxing of my very first vlog. I will not be showing you how I'm using this yet. It's not going to happen. Not yet anyways. So I hope you guys are excited about me opening this up and showing you what I got. That I bought this a long time ago. I'm so glad I'm finally going to open it and use it for my small business. And going forward, I'm going to be doing 2 separate kind of videos on my channel. A studio vlog type and then a regular type of video with arts and crafts in mind. I don't want to do them together. I want it separate. And I'm still going to do my own vlog channel on my Secret Life of Vlog channel probably twice a month. But that's another video when I do the reboot on that. So I'm so excited. I'm going to take it out and let's look at it for a minute. And that's that. Anyways, I'm going to take this bad boy out. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. I don't want to drop it. Uh-oh. Don't drop it now. I'll be upset because I just bought this bad boy a few months ago. I don't want to buy another one. Look what's inside the box, you guys. I didn't know this was on the bottom. like there's all the adapters and markers and stuff, so that's gonna stay there for now. You don't need to look at that. Do you guys care about that stuff? I don't think you do, but I'll look at it later. That's cool. Marker. Yeah, that's everything I think. Yep. So let's put that back down. See how stuff never goes back to where you have it, but there you go. And then I think I'll move the box now for you guys to see. Uh-oh. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's do a 360 on this bad boy. I love this so much. That's where you put the stuff in. I don't know nothing about crickets. I always wondered when the first cricket I ever saw was back in 2005. They did an infomercial about it. And I said, oh, that's so cool. It was one that had cartridges back there. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. But why is it not focusing? There we go. Focus. This is really cool. So I'm going to take the plastic out of this and get this open. And we're not going to test it out today, even though I could, but I'm not. I will test it out in my own separate video by itself. See if I really love this. See if it's really worth keeping. Oh yeah, by the way, they have another one now. Another Cricket Joy that's bigger. Like a little bit like this bigger, I think. Yeah, I saw it. And then I bought this one. It's like, I mean, this is cute and quaint. I love it. I have a little, my room's really small. So, I mean, yeah. And then I about to have a giant cricket too. So, I will talk to you guys in another studio vlog. I can't believe I'm saying that, studio vlog. But, here we go. It opens like this. Look how cute this looks. I'm gonna keep that in until I'm ready to use it. That's what it looks like on the inside. I've never used a cutting machine before, so this is gonna be an experience. I mean, I already got a couple mats now. I bought one separately from this because I didn't realize it had one. I forgot this about how pathetic I am. And then, yeah, I can't wait to utilize this stuff. I have all this trash I want to throw away. This is all the stuff it came with, so let's throw this stuff away. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Oh, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. Let's throw that in there. Let's put that over there. And let's get a thumbnail. Should I get a thumbnail? Yes, we should. How am I going to do a thumbnail? I'm not good at thumbnails. That's why I said I'm going to have to work on that. Come to me, Danielle. No, I don't know. It's just like, it won't focus. Please focus. That's not a good thumbnail at all, but that's all right for right now. We're going to work on them anyways. This is the very first studio vlog, so it's going to be cool. This is the stuff I bought a while ago. As you can tell, it's a bundle. It has everything here. All the sample smart iron-on right there, and you have the vinyl, you have the cool markers, and you have cards over here. You have that Cricket Joy mat, and then you have the Open Me. And I'm going to open that. I guess I got to open this on video. I was going to do it later, but I mean, I'm already got it open already, so I should be able to open everything. So this is what it looks like. So excited. Give me a thumbs up, like on everything, you guys, and I'll be back in another vlog. It's going to be exciting. Let's get started. I guess this is paper. Oh, it's a starter kit. That's what this is. That's another Cricut mat. Yes. Another mat. I have 3 of them now for my Cricut Joy. There's a long one I saw at Hobby Lobby. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, you guys. So, I guess I'll put this back together for right now. Keep it all together. We're done. So to my amazing craft artists, did you have fun watching this video? This is just a reminder, I'm going to be doing better vlogs on this channel. They're going to be beautiful studio vlogs for you guys using my Cricuts, showing you sticker paper, all things I'm going to do to make my channel better. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up. This is me showing everything right here, just in case you don't want to see the whole video. You can always skip to this part and I'll show the whole thing right here. I had so much fun. This was the very first vlog of my studio vlog. I love it. I could have made it a little better than this, but it's cool. I'll make some more. It's not that big a deal. Hope you have fun. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Hope you see you in the next video. My studio vlogs are probably not going to be like a lot. Maybe twice a month, you know, just to get me excited about some stuff I want to do. It's probably just to open up my small business like I've been saying for years. And all the stuff I found. I love this Cricut. I can't wait to use this in my small business or personal use. I bought 2 Cricuts, like I said before in the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about everything I bought, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Craft artist, did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Did you have fun watching me unbox my very first cutting machine ever? I've been wanting to buy a Cricut since 2005 when they first came out, when I saw it on an infomercial. That's how long Cricut's been around. So I'm so excited to finally get a Cricut from HSN. I got a Cricut Joy, as you saw in the video. I'll be using this in my small business. And I also bought another Cricut at Walmart for $169, the Cricut Expression 2. I should have got the Cricut Maker. That's what I should have got, but that was all right. But I got something to help me out in my small business. I bought a lot of things for my small business. So I hope you guys like these videos. There's going to be more studio vlogs on this channel. I cannot wait to show you all the things I've been doing for the last couple months, get my business up to par. And also, I've been making my own thank you cards and my own business cards. It's going to be so much fun. I have all the stuff here. I have all the sticker paper you can think of. So those vlogs are coming up very soon. Also, I'm doing a vlog, 13 videos about my small business because I was born on November 13th. I was supposed to start this business a while back. So I can't wait to show you that video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you come back for more on my channel. So keep crafting no matter what. My very first, what, studio vlog.